Good morning everyone. So it's Friday. कल 2 दिन छुट्टी, but yeah, आज है रनिंग का डे and we'll be doing mostly 1 kilometer of warm up and then 12 reps of 100 meters. Just want to check the speed since the race is coming after 2 weeks. Yeah, so just to check for that, it's not a very long race, it will be a 10k race, so yeah, preparing for that as well. So yeah, not aiming for timing or anything at that point of time, but yeah, mostly to check the speed and see how legs are responding. So hence we'll be doing 100-meter repeats for today. So yeah, let's go. We are here to our favorite place. Hello. And yeah, it's just 200 meters from my place. But we did a circle of 1 kilometer and then came here. Now what we got to do is we'll be doing our 100-meter repeats. Just now I finished my 1k, so we'll take a pause of like 90 seconds. 1.5 minutes and then we'll start our intervals. So yeah, let's go. Meters at pace of 2:59, not bad. Actually, we could have done faster, but I thought 100 meters were already done and I slowed down a bit just to check the watch, but it wasn't. There were 30 meters left. So yeah, but let's see. Let's do our second 100 meters and let's see what pace comes. So yeah, let's go. Second 200 meter, as I said, obviously faster. We have done it at pace of 2:06. Really very good. काफ़ी सही किया. Let's see, but we have to maintain the pace for next 10 more reps. Now that will be the difficult part. अभी legs fresh हैं, so I have picked up the speed, but धीरे धीरे reps बढ़ेंगे and then speed is going to slow down. So yeah, let's see. Third 100 meter at a pace of 2:29, I guess. I just have to check 2:29 or 2:25, somewhere around that. So obviously we got a bit slower than our previous rep, which was I was expecting because I ran very quick, very fast, and I know that it will be difficult to sustain that pace for another 9 reps are left. So yeah, let's see how we're gonna do. Let's go. Okay, so we did fourth rep as well, and this time it was a bit faster. I think I tried pushing myself just to match that pace of 2:06. That I couldn't do, but obviously I paced around 2:19, which is much more better. I think now I have that cushion to play around with that 2:19 to 2:06 or even faster. I would try at the last rep, but for now I'll try to maintain the zone and we'll try to stay in the same zone only. We are done with 5 reps, and this one we did at a pace of 2:18, which is similar to our previous rep of 2:90, which we were targeting. So we'll try to stay up in this zone only so that we have an extra cushion at the end to push and match that speed or even faster than 2:06. So yeah, let's go. Okay, 6th one. Again we were a bit slow. We did it at a pace of 2:30, which is fine. We are halfway there. Probably we're gonna catch up again. 2:30 probably. This is where we have started our first rep, so probably after 5 reps we should surpass the benchmark of 2:06. So yeah, let's see. 6 more to go. Let's go. We did the 7th one, which was fairly very bad. I did it at 3:20. I wasn't expecting it to be this slow. So now we have a big margin to catch for our next 5. So let's 8th one. And again, we surpassed our benchmark of 206 also. We did it at 201, which is very good considering the previous 7th one we did at a pace of 320, and now we did it at 201. I'm not sure how I'm going to surpass this speed in the next 4 ones, but let's see. Let's go. So we did our 9th rep as well. Very sad. 242. I mean, come on. I'm running at 8th rep at 201 and then 242. What is this? But yeah, let's see. Let's go. With our 10th rep as well. Did better at a pace of 214. Although I could feel a very less pain in my left knee, and then I'm thinking let's not push it more, because in the next 2 reps I would try to surpass the pace of 201, which is being the fastest, and hence I'm not sure it's gonna trigger the injury, and hence it's also important sometimes to just hold back, because if I run 2 more reps and injure myself, I'll not be able to run for a couple of weeks, which I definitely don't want in the race, since the race is coming. So it's better that we hold back, because I have to take a couple of shots for my Instagram reel, for YouTube, and hence I'll be running a bit more, because I couldn't capture the shots while running. So I'll be doing that as well right now. So that is also going to take a good amount of energy and running, and hence once we are done with the shoot, then we'll head back home and then we'll chill, because it's Friday. And we are done with our 100 meter reps shoot, and now we are heading back. Let's go. Before reaching home, we'll try to complete around 1.5 kilometers and then we'll head back. So yeah.